Hello friends, today we will learn advanced Vim operations, that is macro. Sometimes it is getting very difficult when you try to copy paste the huge list of inventories. So in that case, macro are very helpful to reduce your effort. Let's learn by example. Suppose I have a list and that list have apple, banana and dates. Now these are only the list of, but in case if this inventory list is huge, how you can change it? By reducing your manual effort. So let me first do it with manual effort. I am pressing I, then I want that there should be dash after every, there should be dash, there should be dash before every. So I am doing manually like this. But what if this list was of 500 words? Then how would you can't do every time changing and use your whole shift in just putting the minus sign before every word. In that case, macros are very helpful. Let me delete that. Now I will show you how to do it with macro. Simply we are removing it. Now I will start with macro. So to start a macro, you can use option Q. Q will start the operation and then you have to register that operation to any from A. You can use any letter from A to Z and then you can try to register it. Suppose we wanted to register our macro operation in Q. So I will press QQ 2 times. Now it's saying it has started recording the operation at the rate Q. It will record each and every keystroke and from there we can use copy paste simply by giving one command. Now suppose I am giving minus sign here, it is recording it. Now what I will do, I will press escape key and press J key. I am coming to the next line. Now I want that minus sign should instantly come in front of every word. Then I have to use, because there are 3 lines left after this, so I will use 3@Q. See, now I have not gone line by line to change the minus sign. If there are 500 words, it can change it accordingly. Simply you can come out of this by saving the operation. Now you have the list. You did your work within a minute. Let me add more examples to it. Beans, pulses, flour, marble, bottle. See, now I added 6 more lines and still it remembering my macro. Even if I saved my file and I came again to edit it and I did few more lines to it and then just press 6@Q. Our keystroke were saved in Q register. Simply you could have used A, B, C, anything instead of Q to register the operation. And then I did just in a led by single written 6 more lines. Then it has changed just very quickly to 6 lines. This was a macro operation used in industries where they heavy inventories and they ask you to perform some operation that is going to repeat over and again. So you just have to do it for one word and then you can change it for rest of the words if operation is same and getting repeated to your whole inventory. So what did you learn from this? You can see copy paste simple for few lines. It is good for few lines. If you need to edit few lines, then you can use copy paste. And it does not require that much learning. To master the macros, you require initial learning, like where you need to register your operation, how do you need to execute it. So it is time consuming for many lines. If I need to edit many lines, it would be very time consuming. And it is highly efficient for repetitive tasks. That just I did. So if you see the consistency, copy paste can produce errors. Manual, because it has human intervention, it can produce errors. But it ensures uniform changes. The operation you recorded, it will perform only that operation. Flexibility, it is limited to manual operations. And macros can perform automatic complex sequence tasks, especially in case of programming languages where you need to edit lines of codes. There you can use macros. Now let's learn how to edit multiple files using a single command. Suppose we have multiple files, we have multiple configuration files and we want to change. Suppose let me find out if they have root operation. Do vimstar.conf. Now it will open all three files. Now because we wanted to change root to student, we have to do argument do %s because we are changing globally. We wanted to change root to student and we also wanted to confirm whether we want to change or not. So we use option C to confirm, and then we want to update in all three files. Let's see if it can do or not. It is asking whether you want to change or not. I will say yes. Then it move to other file. It is asking there you want to change or not. I press Y. Yes. Now it is asking to these highlighted whether you want to change or not. I will say no because these are rootfs. So I will say N. Now it is asking what's this root, whether you want to change. I will say N because I don't want to change this. I just wanted to change the word root. Now I came to third. It is asking to change. Yes. I said yes. Now I need to do :w all. When I do :w all, it will change in all three files. Now it has changed in all three files. Now I need to come out of this. Simply you can do. Now let's check if it has changed in all three files. So we have to do vim-d and we have to get all three file names. So we are checking now whether it has changed root to student in all three files or not. Now you can see, I can see all the three files same on my front screen and student is replaced instead of root. Simply you can come out by qall !sign to all the files. Now let's learn how to encrypt the configuration file. Suppose if we want that nobody should read this configuration file, then how we can encrypt this file? Simply we need to do vi or vim. You can use vim. Once this file is there, you just need to press $X and save it. It will ask you the key, means it is asking you the password. You can give the password and confirm the password again and it will save the file. Now if you come out of the file and after saving it and you will try to open the file again, it will ask you the password before opening the file. If you give the right password, it will open the file. Now if you give wrong password, let me do it. I want to give wrong password. It will not let you open the file. It has encrypted it. Until you will not give the right password, it will not let you read the file. Let me come out again. Now giving the password right one again. Now you are able to read the file. This way you can use encryption in Vim editor. So it is using Blowfish 2 encryption method. And if you want to remove this encryption, simply what you need to do, you need to do $X again and you need to give just enter. Don't type anything, just press enter 2 times. It will remove the password. There is no other way to remove the password other than this. And now if you save the file and you will open it next time, it will directly open the file. This way we can simply encrypt and decrypt the file. And now if we want that my session should be saved from where I started. Suppose I need to work on this file later, but for now I want to save the file and work on the file later. I want to work on these 3 files. Simply what I need to do, vimstar.conf, because I want to work in these 3 files. I have to do admin session.vim. It has saved the session now. Now we are coming out, and now next time we will use the command vim-S session. It will open all the 3 files. So here you did not have to give the configuration file name and it has saved the session. That's why it was directly able to open the file. Simply come out of this. Thank you. I think this is more than enough about Vim. If you like the video, please like, subscribe the channel.